Your life is well organized with your cat, but you are concerned about the arrival of a baby. Would you like some advice? Your life with your cat is well organized, but the announcement of the imminent arrival of a baby worries you. Will your cat adapt to the presence of this new member of the family? Will you find the time to take care of the cat? Should the cat be denied access to the baby's room before it is born? It all depends on your cat's living conditions. If you live in a large space, being denied access to a room is not so important for your cat's well-being. On the other hand, if your living space is limited, everything must be reassessed. You can make sure that the cat avoids the baby cradle by protecting it with a mosquito net, or for those that are more persevering, by using a SS-Cat chip device that will eventually make your cat renounce sleeping there without removing access to a room in your home. The risks of allergy are minimal. Children in contact with the animals from an early age are less confronted with allergy problems than those brought up in an environment without animals. When the baby is born, should you make your cat sniff the baby's laundry so that he accepts him? Nothing has been demonstrated on this matter, though the practice is widespread. It would be interesting to have a study confirm this. During the first months, interactions between your baby and your cat will be rare. Cats avoid young children or approach them spontaneously. By having the option of distancing themselves from interactions with children, cats do not feel the need to attack them, to put them at a distance. Of course, the time devoted to your cat will decrease, but you can ensure that the time spent together is of high quality and corresponds to his needs. Don't forget to play. Interactions between your cat and your child must always take place under your supervision.